Interesting facts about sharks. Dive into the fascinating world of sharks. Unlike other fish, sharks lack bones, their skeletons are made purely of cartilage. Surprise! Sharks boast an excellent vision, seeing things clearly even in murky waters. They're nature's own detectives, equipped with special electroreceptor organs, sensing electrical fields of their prey. Ever wondered about a shark's touch? Their skin feels akin to sandpaper due to tiny teeth-like structures. Lastly, sharks harbor a curious ability: they can slip into a trance when flipped upside down. Sharks, truly captivating creatures of the deep.